Hello? Yeah.
Yes, we
So,
do. Yes.
so I think these were the last notes I have. The first thing I have is like, do you have Celestica team here? Saravanan or like, Praveen, do you have any HLD to discuss this week?
This week we don't have it ready, Madan.
Oh,
So
okay. Okay. So, is it possible to, like, before next meeting, will you able to share us, maybe a week earlier or like couple of days earlier before coming to the meeting so that we can have some notes already? Okay. Some
yeah,
feedback and
sure, we'll do that. Yeah,
okay. Can we target, next meeting before next meeting?
yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, that is one thing. And the second thing, if you have Cisco team like Bala or like anyone, so they said like they will be ready with updated HLD on layer 2 gaps. Do you have anyone here from Cisco team? Okay, I'll follow with Cisco team and I'll try to find it out. If they're in HLD, I think ask them to share with us. Okay. Yeah. So, Adam, I think I see you. I have two questions on you. For layer 2 features, right? Do you have any update? Like, what is the plan for May release with respect to MSTP, PVST, RSTP? What is the plan to bring in? Anyone bring in from Broadcom side or like Xflow side?
Yeah, so PVST, we have a set of co-PR that merged into 2024-11.
Uh-huh.
And currently there are two that has not been merged. And we will resume this in the 2025-05.
Okay.
And the engineering will start the work around, I say around 2 weeks, then, should be able to resume the work for these two. I think what's left remaining for these two is mainly the build failures and test coverage. So there will be some work to update that, and with that can go. And
Yes.
then
For
for MSTP, the person from Xflow, Rita, she has left, and we are in touch with the other person to coordinate the co-PR for MSTP.
okay.
And we are still tracking this for 2025-05, and there'll be contribution coming from both teams.
Okay.
But yeah, so the current near-term target is to finish the PVST, so at least PVST will be complete for
Okay.
2025-05. Yeah.
Okay. 2020. Okay. So the next question I have is, Adam, like, so IGMP snooping, I see there is a HLD merge, from Ashok, to, I see from Broadcom team. So do you have any idea, like, where are we with the IGMP snooping feature?
Currently, okay, so there are two things going on. So IGMP snooping, on the L2 multicast, this is the HLD that you're talking about that has been merged for a while. But then on the other hand, there is also a IP multicast HLD, which is in the work together with MyCast.
Yeah.
And so between these two, currently we want to target for the IP multicast to complete first before coming back to the L2 multicast, so that because it's mainly resource concern and the priority of the use case and so on. So the L3 multicast, we kind of have the HLD updated and converged, and at this point in time, I mean, there are still some minor updates that need to be done on the HLD, and then my cast team is planning to bring it up into the routing subgroup in a matter of a week or two, and then get the blessing from there.
Okay.
And with that, then that will go with the co-PR for 2025-05.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds good. Thank you. Yeah. So Amir, like on SONiC profiling and optimization, right? I sent out an email to you. So what are the what are the changes we are tracking it? So I think I would like to sit with you. I mean, let's say what is in our proposal on this? Do you have any HLD or something is ready to discuss here?
Not to discuss here.
Okay.
But I do plan on I have to discuss with some people and I will be in touch. There's a PR or two that we're ready to do. that I'll have to check to see what's the status with that. There's also a couple optimizations that Ted from Target also they do internally, and they shared with us. So I tried doing that and had some issues.
Okay.
Had some issues with that, so maybe we can have like a thread going on for that, or we'll figure out. But we'll be in touch in the next this week or next week
Yeah.
to discuss what to organize and organize all the different PRs and see where status is with that.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Thanks for that update. Yeah. Then
Hey, Mike, what is the context about this profiling? Is there email thread or is there HLD that I can take a look?
Yeah, I have a HLD. I'll find the link and I can. Would you want me to post it here in the chat here
you
or
can
somewhere
post
else?
it on Penn's group. That's fine. Yeah, you can
Yeah,
reply.
pen script, that'd be great. Yep.
Like in just the email thread there?
Yeah, you can just put a
Yeah,
message and reply here. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, that'd be
Okay.
great. All right,
Okay.
thanks.
So yeah, I'll just post that so you can get some context of what we're talking about here.
Thank
Okay.
you.
I'll let
No
them know.
problem.
Thank you. And I believe for POE vendor support, do we have any update from Marvel team?
The code has been published, nothing new. It's the
Uh,
same status as it was before.
okay. So when you say publish in the sense, is there a way to anyone can take a look or review?
Exactly. Yeah, it's a SI. It's basically all the attributes for the SI, and then every single person can just look at it and maybe use it as a reference, or maybe if they want to just build on it or change things, go ahead. But it's just basically like the first. This
So
is
will
the
you able
first
to
yeah.
just drop in the HLD, I mean spec here or size spec, whatnot?
There was a within the SI community. There was there was the HLD there.
Uh-huh.
I think I can find it, and I can also send it to the email thread.
That sounds good. That sounds good. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. So the last thing I think, so POE VS support, right? Taras, I mean, do you have, I mean, I believe that you're waiting for, maintain to approve. Where are we with this, Taras?
Same status as
Same
previously.
status. Okay.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
I'm not trying not to be, too much annoying, but pinging once again. We'll see how it.
Okay. All right. All right. I mean, now we have time this time, at least till May. At least we can, fast forward and get it done, at least in next 2 months kind of stuff, right? That would be good.
I believe no, we should target it to do it ASAP because we are always assuming we have time and then we are missing the release.
Yeah.
It's been 2 releases we've missed this not being merged. So from the PR's perspective, they are ready to be merged. There are no outstanding errors. At least I just checked.
Okay.
And yeah, but there are build errors currently because they are interdependent. So I'm trying to push the first PR that unblocks build errors to be merged, and then follow up.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Yeah, so this is from my side. And do you have, I mean, do you have any other questions from the team?
Yeah, so Madhu, I also want to bring to your awareness that the pack, so we have a bunch of co-PR that merged for 2024-11. That's the phase 1. And then we are executing the phase 2 from Broadcom side, and I'm hoping to complete the phase 2 for 2025-05. So
Okay.
there are I think about 15 or so co-PR that we're tracking.
Okay, so I mean, do we need any review support? I think you can drop
Yeah,
in.
we'll need that. Let me go through all this and see which one I'm missing the review. I'll share with the team.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you so much. Yeah.
One more note regarding IGMP, regarding L2 multicast and IP multicast. The one that merged for L2 multicast is the HLD. The co-PR has not merged yet.
Yeah, I know that. I
Yeah,
don't see
yeah.
that.
So
Thank
just
you.
want to clarify on that.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, no, good. Yes. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you so much. So that's it from my side. And if I mean, if you have any questions, we can chat through email. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
All right.